our conclusion phase of the rotation about 180 degrees. I need someone to lend me their triangle. Who wants to lend me their triangle?
Me, Jordan.
All right, Ian. What were the points of your original triangle? The object for green.
0.
And for yellow.
6, 5.
And for green.
2, 0.
Or for blue, I'm sorry.
2, 0.
2, 0. Okay, now after you reflected or you rotated that 180 degrees, which by the way, if you rotate 180 degrees, if I'm standing here facing the door and I rotate 180 degrees, where am I going to end up? Exactly. So Ian, what was your image of green?
-8, 0.
What was your image of yellow?
-6, -5.
And what was your image of blue?
-2.
Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's compare the yellow color. I'm wearing yellow today, it makes sense.
Yellow's my favorite color.
Yellow's your favorite color? One of my favorite colors too. Alright, so Carrie, what did we notice? We started with 6, 5. We rotated about 180 degrees and we ended up with -6, -5. What happened? Right. Which coordinates changed? Y and X. Did you guys have the similar observations when you did this? Yeah. See, did anything happen? Did X and Y switch places at all? No. Did anything happen with the size of the triangle? Did the triangle size change? No. So, really, what changed? Katie?
The signs.
The signs. So, if we wanted to write this out in a general rule, we're starting out with x, y, and we rotate it about 180 degrees. What can we say our general rule is? I see you, but I want to give everyone a chance to talk. Elliot?
-x, -y.
Negative x, negative y. Good job. So if I have this example, triangle ABC, and I have my starting A is -3, -2. After I rotate it 180 degrees, what's it going to look like? Grant. What's my A prime going to look like? If I start with -3, -2, I rotate it at 180 degrees. According to the rule we just established, what's it going to look like?
I believe it's going to look like 3, 2.
You believe? Why do you believe that?
Because according to the rule, the changes to the negative or positive.
Right, the signs change. Yeah. Where did you find that rule? Before it was on the board. Did you notice that rule in your observations?
Yeah. When
Yeah?
we first did it.
All right, good. I'm with you. All right, what about B? Mimi? 6, 4. Exactly. And Chris, what about C?
4, 1.
4, 1. Let me add a D point. Tommy, if my D point was 3, 1, what's my D prime going to be? -3, -1. Great job. Okay, so we have a firm grasp on the rotations. All right, today for the rest of the class, your homework tonight is to finish the sheet that you had for yesterday for homework. A lot of you already did it, so that means you have no homework for tonight. Fairly easy. It's good weekend homework. You should get it done 10 minutes and done. At this point in time, you can take out your notebooks. We're going to do a recap on everything we've learned so far within this unit with some formal notes.
How do you define formal notes?
Well, these are kind of
Do
informal.
they have like their pinky out or something?
They're formal because they're pre-written and they're free.
You had it at a restaurant,
Yeah.
We'll get you a piece of paper and then you can copy this to your notebook later, okay? Here you go. Okay. Congratulations.
Yeah,
Nice job, man. What's a transformation in general?
Change.
I
A
don't,
change? A change in what?
it's like a movie.
It's like a movie
No, where they transform.
where they transform.
Transformers.
Robots in disguise.
No, that's a good way of thinking
I
about it.
know.
It's good to apply what happens, what you know, with what you're learning. So Grant said it's a change. A change in what?
Anything.
Everything.
Everything. What's everything?
In
In
robots.
terms of shapes. We're working with shapes,
Those
right?
cars, they changed the car into a robot.
Okay. Well, what was the first transformation that we learned about? What was the very first transformation that we learned about? No, I don't think we learned about selection, but it wasn't the first one.
Transversal.
Transversal is it's not transversal. We know what transversal is. We did that last meeting. Translations. We translated. What does it mean to translate? What happened when we translated the triangle? Did it flip? Did it move? What happened here? Yeah, it did. It moved. It kind of slid. Remember that we did the homework and we had the arrows pointed which direction that it moved? So if you want to think of translations, we're all set with this. Thank you. If you want to think of translations, Chris, you're going to think of something sliding around.
Right.
And which kind of operations did we, what mathematical operations did we use? What are mathematical operations?
Operations that are mathematical.
Yeah? What kind?
Multiplication, division.
Okay, which ones did we use for translations? Do we use multiplication and division? No. Do we use addition and subtraction? No. We did. You can do the, first slide. That's a little slow. No.
Oh, what?
This is a transformation in general. Grant hit it right on the money when he said change.
Hence the name G Money.
He was like child labor. Everyone feel okay with the transformation? It's basically the umbrella of everything that we're doing. All that we've been learning about, translations, deflections, rotations, they all fall under the category of transformation. How are we doing with this slide?